Students, right now I have told you about local self-government. Yes, now again, we are going to learn, we are going to have a detailed information, a detailed study about local self-government. What is local self-government? Local self-government is that type of government in which the leaders are chosen by the place, a particular place, and when these leaders form a government, that is called local self government. Clear? अगर कोई पर्सन है किसी भी प्लेस का, वो इलेक्शन में खड़े हुए and the people have given votes and those leaders have won. Yes, they have got the majority of the votes. So they will form a government. So that government is known as local self-government. Now, do you know that local self-government in villages, local self-government is known as Gram Panchayat. In villages, local self-government is known as Gram Panchayat. Yes. So, as you know, as you can see that Panchayat, what is the meaning of Panch? That is 5. What is the meaning of Panch? That is 5. Panch means 5. It means a group of 5 members. Okay, a group of 5 members. And each member of this group is called Panch. So 5 persons are there, so they all are called Panch. And who is the head of the village? That is called Sarpanch. Clear? Do you know that in earlier times, the government, or we can say that a village is governed by the person who was elected as the head of the village and the other villages. But now, which process is followed? That is, a sarpanch, the head of the village, and a group of 5 panchs, they run the government of a particular place, of a particular village. Clear? So, a group of 5 panch and the head of village is called Sarpanch. They can also take the decision, they can also tell, they can give the instructions, what they can do for the welfare of the people of that particular village. But the final decision will be of Sarpanch. Now, do you know that in Gram Panchayat, in every Gram Panchayat, the seats of women are reserved. Okay? The seats of women are reserved. And what is their ratio? We can say 1/3. Okay? If there are 3 male, then if there are 6, 1/3 hai. Okay? If there are 6 males, then 2 female, 3 males, then 1 female. Okay, the ratio should be 1:3. Clear? So, why the seats of women have been fixed, have been reserved in Gram Panchayat? Do you know? In constitution, there is an amendment. That is 73rd or 74th. According to that amendment, in Panchayati Raj system, the seats of the women, which is 1/3 of the Panch or Sarpanch, Gram Panchayat, the head of the village, has been reserved. Why? किस लिए? What is the reason? ताकि उस प्लेस की, उस विलेज की गवर्नमेंट को स्मूथली चलाया जा सके. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज म्युनिसिपल कमेटी. So do you know that what is municipal committee and what is municipal corporation. What is municipal committee? That is in towns or small cities, in villages. Clear? Gram Panchayat is a type of village in villages, is a type of government in villages, and it is a type of government in towns or small cities. Okay, in small cities. And in these municipal committees, these are known as municipality. Okay, municipality. And who is the head of municipal committee? That is chairperson. Okay, like the head of Gram Panchayat is Sarpanch. Then who is the head of this municipal committee? That is chairperson. And it is known as Nagar Palika and Nagar Nigam also. It is known as Nagar Palika and Nagar Nigam also. Now, the members of a panchayat, they are member who held Sarpanch. They were known as Panch here. But in municipal committee, that type of government, municipal councillors, the members of municipal committee are known as municipal councillors. Now, next is municipal corporation. What is municipal corporation? We can say कि in large cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, in these types of cities, which cities are having more than 10 lakh, person more than 10 lakh in that city, they are counted in municipal corporation. So municipal corporation, the head of municipal corporation is called mayor. The head of panchayat is sarpanch. The head of municipal committee is chairperson, and the head of municipal corporation is called mayor. Now, chairperson, we can say, it is known as the president also. Okay, the head of the municipal committee is known as president or chairperson, and the head of municipal corporation is known as mayor. So this was known as Nagar Palika and this is known as Mahanagar Palika. Okay, nagar हो गए जो cities small cities हो गई, but Mahanagar, Maha का meaning क्या है? बड़े, large. So in large cities, they are known as Mahanagar Palika. They were known as Nagar Nigam, so they are known as Mahanagar Nigam. Clear? I hope the type of local self-government in villages, in towns or small cities, and in large cities is clear to you all. These all the types of government are clear to you all. Now we are proceeding to the functioning. What are the functions of these government? Gram Panchayat, municipal committee, municipal corporation. Now we are going to learn about those functions. Okay. Okay, students. So here are some functions of the different types of government in local self-government. So first is Gram Sabha or Gram Panchayat. As you know that Gram Panchayat is known as Gram Sabha also. So here are some functions of Gram Sabha or Gram Panchayat done for a village, for the common people of that village. You know very well that Gram Panchayat is responsible for the well-being and the effective functioning of the work of that village who Gram Sabha or Gram Panchayat is responsible for that. And in towns or cities, small cities and big cities, large cities we can say, in towns or in cities, municipal bodies are responsible for their effective running, okay, of their well-being also. So here are some functions. They can do similar types of functions. How? What type of works are done by the Gram Panchayat in villages? as well as these works are only done by the municipal bodies in towns or cities. Like first is Gram Sabha or Gram Panchayat takes care of the cleanliness of the village. Okay, so municipal bodies, they take care of the cleanliness of the towns and cities. Okay, so next is Gram Panchayat or Gram Sabha takes up development work like street lights, making roads, running schools, electricity, drinking water, medical and health centers, and digging of wells. These types of services or these types of work, these are done by the Gram Panchayat for the people of that village. And these works are only, or parks also are set up by the municipal bodies in the towns or cities, and these all facilities are provided also by the municipal bodies to the people who are living in those cities and towns. Okay, so next is functions of Gram Sabha, that is, it settles disputes between families and people. You know very well, students who are living in villages, they obviously would be aware about this thing कि पंचायत में ही ले जाकर जो भी फैमिली के disputes हो गए, झगड़े हो गए, लड़ाइयाँ हो गई, and of the people, between families and people, they are set up, they are resolved by the panchayat only. Okay, so these are some functions which are done by the Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, or we can say municipal bodies. Okay, clear? So all these local government work to provide services and facilities, to provide facilities to the people living in that area. If the people are living in village, then Gram Panchayat provide them facilities, and the people who are living in towns and cities, then municipal bodies, municipal committee, municipal corporations, they provide them the different facilities. Okay, so this was our chapter. Our chapter is completed. I hope this chapter is clear to you all. In this chapter, we have learned about what is government, what is democracy, what are the types of government like national, state government, and local self. Local self, we can say that district government. Okay, and then we have learned, we have discussed, or we have taken a detailed study about local self government and who are their heads in villages, in towns or cities, what type of government is the functioning of that particular village or cities are governed by which type of government. So now we have learned about some functions also. So this was our chapter. I hope this is clear to you all.